Ma'am, should I tell Leah about him?
Absolutely not. I'll deal with him myself. Who gave you this address, and why did you come here?
Cynthia, please, let me see my daughter. I've waited 10 years for this. Please, call Leah. I just want to see her.
She's not here. She ran away with someone. You should get out of here too.
No, she wouldn't. I didn't raise her that way. She would never do that.
Well, what else could you expect from a fraud's daughter? Driver, throw this man out, and don't let him come anywhere near this house again.
Cynthia, please, have mercy on me. Just let me see my daughter once. I swear I'll never come here again.
Driver, what are you waiting for? Throw him out of the house, now!
I know your daughter is here, but I can't help you, sir. Please leave for now.
Leah! Leah, where are you? I got something for you.
I'm not deaf, Jason. What did you get for me?
You said you like reading, so I got these books for you.
You bought these for me? Really?
Yes, I went to a bookstore with Zoe. I wanted to get some fiction books for myself, and I picked up a few for you, too.
Thanks, Jason. No one's ever bought me books before. This really means a lot.
Instead of just saying thanks, you should go on a coffee date with me.
What are you two talking about?
Jason got me these books. I am so happy.
So now you have time for hobbies, huh? I see.
I swear I'll do all the work. Please let me keep these books.
Why are you asking me? I'd never stop you from reading. Of course you can keep them.
Jason, come on. Let's go for a long drive. What do you say?
Not a bad idea. I'll be starting at the office next week, so I'll be busy. I'll ask Leah to come with us.
Are you out of your mind? I don't like that girl. My friends will also join us. What would they think about us hanging out with a poor girl?
I know she's not like us, but I want her to be happy and enjoy her life too.
Jason, please. You're really killing my mood now.
Fine, forget it. We'll go, just the two of us.
Why does he always talk about Leah? It's like she's the only person in his life.
Don't worry, sweetie. She's just a maid. I'll talk to Cynthia. She'll take care of this.
You should. Otherwise, it'll be hard for me to keep this drama going.
Leah, I don't want to see you around Jason anymore. Your father caused us enough trouble. Don't follow in his footsteps.
I don't even talk to him myself. He's always the one who does.
Oh, please. Stop acting innocent. I know how clever you are.
Leah, please bring a cup of coffee to my room.
Make coffee and give it to him. Don't you dare stay with him for long.
All right, Aunt Cynthia. Jason, here is your coffee.
Thanks, Leah. Please sit here with me.
I need to mow the garden. I have to go.
Come on, Leah. You're not a robot. Take some time for yourself. And for me. Tonight, we're going out to dinner.
But your mom...
That's my problem. You get ready.
Where is she going?
I have to go shopping, and I'm taking Leah along with me. We'll have dinner after that. Don't wait for us.
This is great. Have a good time.
Why did you allow them to go? He's supposed to be hanging out with Zoe, not Leah.
If Jason's happier with Leah than with Zoe, what can I do? My son's happiness comes first.
Oh, finally you have time to talk to me. Ever since your son came, it's like you completely forgot about me.
How could I forget my only partner in crime? I haven't seen Zoe in the last 2 weeks, so I was worried. That's why I came here today.
Zoe is irritated with Jason's behavior. He's always talking about Leah. My daughter felt so small next to her.
I felt the same way, but don't worry. I think it's time to start Plan B.
Plan B? What's that? You're a genius, Cynthia. But I need to check if Zoe is on board with this.
Sandy, you have to convince her. I don't want to see my son with that cunning girl.
Jason! Jason!
Zoe, what happened? Why are you shouting?
Where's Jason?
He's in his room. I'll call him.
What are you two doing together?
We were just having lunch. Why are you looking upset, Zoe?
I'm pregnant, Jason.
Why are you telling me this? Wait, are you saying that? No way. Are you out of your mind, Zoe? This can't be possible.
You've destroyed my life, and now you're spending time with her?
Zoe, what are you saying?
I know exactly what I'm saying.
Why are you lying, Zoe? You know nothing happened between us.
I'm not lying. You can see the reports.
Oh my god, I can't believe this.
Zoe, quit making a scene and come with me.
No, I will not go anywhere with you, Jason.
Jason, the only way to fix this is to marry Zoe.
But Mom, that's not true. She's lying. I didn't do a thing.
Jason, stop. That's enough.
Leah, please try to understand me. I didn't do anything. Zoe is lying, believe me.
If she was lying, why didn't you say anything about the marriage? You fooled both of us, Jason.
Please trust me, I would never do that.
Please, Jason, I'm begging you. Stay away from me.
Gary, you haven't come by in a while. Is everything all right between you and Leah?
Yeah, I think she doesn't like me.
No, she definitely likes you. In fact, she seemed upset ever since you stopped coming.
Oh, that's strange. I'll come and see her. Hey, Leah, come on. Let's go out and have some fun.
I don't feel like going out, Gary. Please leave me alone.
Did I do something that hurt you? I'm really sorry if I made you feel uncomfortable. I just like being around you.
You are right, Gary. We should hang out. Let's go!
Auntie, Leah and I want to go out with your permission. Can I take her with me?
Is that even a question to ask? Of course you can go.
Here's your package, sir. Please sign here.
Courier, is it for me? Who sent it?
You'd better know that. Please sign. I need to drop off the other packages, too.
This can't be right. I thought you were different.
What happened, Jason? You look pale. What's this? Oh my god! This girl has finally shown her true colors. I always had my doubts about her.
Mom, it can't be her. She would never do something like this.